Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great.
Okay, so I am Dhanya and I will be a speaker for this session.
Okay.
Good to see you. How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Okay, so what made you join Clapingo at this early age?
This is my summer vacation going on, and I thought that in this time I can just improve all my English speaking skills to the greatest level. Actually, I joined Clapingo in late August 2021,
Okay,
and at that time I used to take classes for four classes for a month. It means one
okay,
class a week. So I just joined it because it was just a time pass thing, you can say, and I also
yeah,
wanted to improve my vocabulary and fluency. So that's the reason
okay,
why I joined.
okay. So how has it improved?
I feel like it has improved a lot because when I look back to my previous videos, the starting videos, from that I have improved a lot. I feel
Okay, so how many sessions are you taking these days?
it's 3 sessions per week.
Okay, it's 3 sessions per week. Very nice. Okay, so before we start the session, can you just quickly introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Arundhati Roktima. I'm 13 years old and I live in the city of Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh. It's in the central part of India, and
Okay.
I study in Delhi Public School, Bhilai. And my hobbies are reading books, singing, playing the piano, and sometimes painting as well. And nowadays I've started learning how to
How to?
coding.
Okay, you started. Yeah, a lot of kids, especially your age. I know I'm hearing from them that they've started learning coding. That's very nice. It's really helpful when you reach your job level age.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so do you have any questions for me or anything related to English before we start the session?
No, as of now, I don't have any questions. We can just go for the session.
Okay. So did you go through the topic?
Yeah, I went through it, and I think it was, I forgot it. It was something related to time, stopping the time, and all of that.
Yeah. So our topic for today is if we could stop time.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, would you, in the very first place, would you want to stop time or not?
I think that time is just a flow of all the things, and it should be in a continuation. And in my opinion, I don't think it should be stopped because let's say I'm really happy today, and the time just stops. So it's a good thing for me. I'm in a happy mood, in a
Definitely.
happy moment. So it's a good thing. I'm being all happy. But let's say that it was a bad day for me. Let's say I did not get good marks in a test of mine or something bad happened to me. So I would be sad. And if in that moment the time stops, so then I'll have to be sad for until the time
Yeah.
resumes.
Yeah. Okay. But let's say suppose that it's a superpower that only you have and nobody else
Hmm.
has. Okay. And it's in
Okay.
your control. When do you want to stop your time? When do you want to
Hmm.
pause it? When do you want to resume it? It's all your choice. So then, would you want it or not? Would you want the superpower?
I'd say that it would be like I want it like 80% of my mind says I like to have it, but 20% of my mind says I should not have it because I feel like I should have it because then I'll be able to stop time whenever I want. I can do all the things that I want to do, but I also do not want it at the same place because I feel like then it will be a little unfair because I will be the only person who will be able to stop the time, and other people will only have 24 hours in their day, and I'm gonna have like more than that. So then it will be unfair because I'm having more time
Okay.
than they have.
Yeah. Thinking about what is fair and what is unfair at this small age is really impressive. Because
Thank
children
you.
of your age, they are usually like, I don't care what's fair, what's unfair. If I am getting the superpower, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let's just suppose that, since it's the 80% of your mind that wants the superpower, let's just suppose that you have it. Okay.
Okay.
So, at what point of time would you use it?
Okay, so I would definitely use it for this main important thing, that is when I'm sleeping, I'll just pause the time and I can sleep for like 16 hours or 20 hours or something. Of course, that will not be good for my health because that will be a
Yeah.
very long time. I'm just giving an example that I'll be able to sleep for a little bit of more time.
Okay, so do you like sleeping as well?
Yes, I love to sleep. It's just so amazing. You can relax. You can just, leave all your stresses and all your work behind and just sleep. That's so good.
Exactly, exactly. Even I like sleeping so much that these days I am having off from my college, so
Oh.
I'm almost free. So it's
Hmm.
like I do not have to go anywhere, and I'm done with my exams. So it's
Hmm.
like I sleep late at night, I wake up late in the morning, and then I get scolded that why are you sleeping till so late. That's why I've kept
Yeah.
my that's why I've kept my sessions at 1. Otherwise, I would sleep till 11 or
Oh.
or 12, and I would sleep at 2 or 3 a.m.
Hmm.
So it's
Hmm.
like a very bad sleep schedule that I've gotten into
Oh.
because of my leisure time
Hmm.
that is actually going to be till July, I guess.
Oh, okay. And
Yeah,
I also have this sort of same sleep schedule that I sleep at 2 a.m., near about 2 a.m., and I wake up at 10 a.m. And this is really bad because my schools, they're going to reopen in just a week. So I'll have to wake up at 6 a.m. then. That would be very
yeah,
difficult for
exactly,
me.
exactly. Because these days I am also not going to my college. We are all done with the exams and all. So I sleep so late, I wake up so late, and I'm like, when the colleges reopen, how am I gonna manage?
Yeah, I'm also thinking that only, and I'm thinking that I should improve my sleep schedule.
Yeah. Okay, I'm observing one thing that you have a pretty good English accent.
Hmm.
Yeah, so how
Okay.
is it? What's the secret
Okay.
behind it?
Okay, so when I was learning English, I had this in my mind that I'd like to learn the American accent. So I tried to listen to some native speakers, how they speak, and tried to imitate them. And I think because of that, I've got a little bit of American accent.
Yeah, you really have a very good accent. And I think that it's really difficult to imbibe that accent when you are not living there and you're living in a place
Hmm.
like India. Because
Yeah.
we usually do not have this kind of accent here. Unless and
Hmm.
until you go out, live in the US for like 3-4 years, you are
Yeah.
not gonna imbibe that accent into you.
Yeah. It's difficult to do that.
Yeah. So how did you manage to do it, please? I'm very interested in knowing.
I just used to imitate Americans, how they speak, the way of their speaking, and there are many tutorials also on YouTube that how to pronounce the R sound, the D sound, T sound, and all of that, and the American accent. So I used to follow those videos, and I think because of that, I've got a little bit of accent.
Okay, that's right. Nice. So, was it difficult to get this accent?
I think it took a lot of time because it just practice. If you keep practicing all of that, so then you'll be able to have it. But it takes a little time.
Yeah, it definitely does. So, why only American and not UK, not British accent?
Uh, I think that the British accent is very difficult to learn
Difficult,
because
exactly.
yeah, they have a very strong accent and it's too difficult to learn and just speak in it.
Okay, so are you like planning to settle in the US sometime in your future,
No,
or no?
no.
So you just want to get their accent and you just want to speak like that.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, which class do you study in?
Eight.
8. Okay, so now okay, no. I was thinking like, my new semester would start in
Hmm.
the next
Yeah.
month. Okay, so
Hmm.
I was thinking that you might also have your next session from the next month. Then I forgot that, okay, your
Hmm.
school session starts from March,
Yeah.
I guess.
It starts from April.
Okay, okay, yeah, it starts from April because I have my younger brother and
Hmm.
he's in 10th class. So, I am
Hmm.
always like mixing his schedule with mine, and I'm like, you
Yeah.
let's have your next session from July. And he's like, no, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, back to the topic.
Hmm.
I think it's a very interesting topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if not stopping the time, let's suppose you are allowed to have any superpower. Okay. So which would it be? Which superpower would it be, and why?
I think it would definitely be stopping the time only because I feel like other superpowers like flying and being invisible, like those superpowers are not that useful because what can you do by flying other than going to other countries? Like what else can you do
Okay,
with
let
a
me tell you
flying
then. Let me tell you.
superpower?
If you have the superpower of being invisible, then you can, go to any place, anywhere, any place without anybody knowing. And you can just listen to what two people are talking about you behind your back.
Yeah, but that would be considered eavesdropping, and I don't think we should do that
Yeah,
because we are just
obviously.
invading their privacy.
Yeah, definitely. But since we are talking about superpowers and obviously why are superpowers there? No, of course,
Yeah,
not to invade anybody's privacy,
yeah.
but yeah, why are it's not just this purpose that we can use the superpower for, but there are a lot of other things. But okay, so you want to use the superpower of stopping the time.
Yes.
Okay. So so you let's suppose that let us create a situation. Okay, that you are in a very very happy moment and you had the superpower to stop your time and you used it.
Okay.
Okay, so now that that superpower is in the working, and sometimes machineries get ruined or whatever. So let's just suppose that superpower is not getting back to normal, and your stop time is going on and on and on.
Okay.
Okay, so how would it be, even if it is a happy moment that you took the superpower on? So what would you do?
I think I would be really tense and I would panic for the moments because if you're just paused in a time for such a long period of time, then it will be very boring and also it will be difficult for you to function properly because we as individuals we need a lot of things, other people's help to live our life properly. For example, I need the shop owners to buy something, right? I need the people who make the roads, the people who work in factories to make the products that I use on a daily basis. So we need a lot of help of other people. So if the time just stops, then it will be very difficult for me to live my life just on my own, and it will be very panicking. That would be very difficult.
Yeah, because all our lives are interdependent on each other, whether it is
Yeah.
human life, whether it is insect life, whether it is animal life or bird life. It all is interdependent on each other, and we cannot live without each other.
Yeah.
However much we say that I don't need you, I don't want you, but that's not how it works.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm asking this question during the end of the session, but how do I pronounce your name?
It's Arundhati.
Arundhati.
Yeah.
That's a very beautiful name. And
Thank you.
for your feedback, I would only say that you are a pretty confident speaker, and I would tell you that you are one of my most confident learners till now.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, at this age, and you are a very very good speaker, and you can definitely touch great heights. So
Yeah, thank
all
you
the
very
best,
much.
Arundhati. It was really really nice talking to you, and
It
I
was a
don't.
really nice conversation.
Yeah, it really was. I enjoyed the conversation very much.
I also enjoyed it very, very much. It was amazing to talk to you.
Yeah, it was amazing to talk to you too. So, good luck for your school, which is opening next week, sadly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so goodbye. Hope to
Okay.
see you again.